pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall, then we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that there's some shadows. I'm testing out new equipment and my other equipment kind of took a crap, unfortunately. Stinks. But anyway, I got my other base box of BoxyCharm. It is the $25 a month box and it is my second profile. And I am excited because I opened this box and I saw a completely different box than the first one I got. Yay! And I got my choice, and I've already used it and love it, the Brow Bar. And it's in medium. I will show you what it looks like, but I did use it in another video, and it right here. Beautiful. It's magnetic, so the pencil and the tweezers stay in here as well as the spoolie with the applicator on the end, and it worked really, really well for me. That's what I have on my brows right now. Let me tell you what the value of that was. There's got to be a card in here. Or did they forget here's my card. It's back here. Okay, Brow Bar by Rima is a $40 value. Wow. That's I would say it's pretty worth it though. Definitely. Okay, let's see what else is in here. What is this? NCLA? So Rich Treatment? It has an $18 value. It's a cuticle oil. Oh, I don't really use those. But you know what? With it being cold, it's probably gonna help keep the skin moisturized around that area and probably prevent hangnails. So that's not bad. I will definitely have to, since I got it, give it a try. Okay, so that's what that is here. Cute little packaging. Definitely plenty in there to last you a while. Okay, now we've got icy brushes, and I love me some bling. All right, Glam Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection. Glitterily enchanting and fun, it says. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic brushes make blending easy and flawless, and it has an MSRP of $29.95. I've never heard of this company. Have you? Maybe it's a new launch. Does this say new launch? Oh yeah, it's a new launch. That would be why. Okay. On your card, it'll tell you if a product is launching for the first time or not. It looks like one of those little pencil cases we used back in the back in the day when we went to school. And then here are the brushes. Okay. You've got your liner brush right here. That is what that looks like. It's thin. It's almost like an angled stiffy. Okay, so you got that one there. Then you've got your blending shader brush. This, it's got control, but not, I would use it to put color down, not really to blend. Just by the way it feels. That's what I would use it for. Here is what looks like a liner smudge, or a stiffy as I would call it, a liner smudge brush. Yeah. Okay, and then you've got another shader. Let's see the difference between the two. I think one is thicker than the other. Yeah. And the bristles are a little bit longer. Again, I wouldn't blend with this, not at all. I would place the color down, and maybe when I do my blending like that on the lid, but that's it. That's what I would use this for. Do I think that is worth the money? No, definitely not. You could get a cheaper set from Morphe and they would work way better. I can pretty much guarantee that. This is very limited on what you could use these brushes for. Just letting you know. Okay, now I see a repeat. I don't remember. I think they got this in Ipsy and in Boxy before. It's the Tressique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara. It has a $44 value. So not worth the $44 though. This one actually has an eyelash curler in it, and it is useless. I've tried this before. Oh my goodness. Flip curler down. Yeah, it goes like this, and yeah, it's honestly useless. It does not work. The mascara you can use. I'm not going to open it because I don't want it to dry out before I actually use it. But with me, I always wear false lashes, so it really doesn't matter what kind of mascara I get as long as it's pretty new and it's not clumpy. It'll usually work for me, so that's fine. I don't mind getting mascara. The next thing and the last thing I see is the Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. I'm pretty sure I've got this too, and it has an MSRP of $32. And I'm going to be honest with you. Okay, wait. Nope. This is a new one. I would have to try it. A Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Let's see. Safety seal. Love a safety seal. All right, let's see what it looks like. You hear Jaclyn? Okay, it's like a gel cleanser there. So I'm going to be excited to try that. I'll have to update you on how this does, but I'm not mad at it. I'm excited I got it. So let's recap. We got the brushes that are kind of useless in my opinion. And we got the cuticle oil that most of us, if you're into nails, you would like it. But if you're not into your nails, you're not really focusing on your nails, you're going to be like, oh, cuticle oil. But it's okay. It's winter. It's going to help keep your nails and your hands moisturized. So that's okay. Then we got the brow bar, which I like. I'm excited. That is probably my most favorite product besides the Huda palette that I got in premium. So I'm happy with that. And then I got the cleanser here and the mascara with the useless eye curler. Now, what did you guys think of this variation? I will put the total value of this box on the screen for you guys, and then you can talk to me in the comments below and let me know if you think this box was worth it. I do, because of the brow bar. Definitely. It was a $25 box, and that's a $40 product that actually worked well. And if you want, you guys can go over and check out my other video. I'm not sure when it's going to post, but it'll be using BoxyCharm products, so you can actually see how I did my brows with that kit right there, and I do like it. I have yet to use the tweezers in there, but they look like solid tweezers, so that's always a plus. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video, this unboxing, and don't forget to enter my giveaways. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you all really soon in another video. Bye!